Hi, I'm Nishikanta Parshikar. I'm the head of education at Plezmo Tech Academy, and I would like to talk to you about our upcoming boot camp called App for Creators, aimed at students 11 years and up. All fields use technology very aggressively today, which means it is extremely imperative that students should have hands-on experience with computer science and technology, regardless of whether they are interested in science or other streams. When students learn how to build meaningful activities like apps, understand what UI and UX design concepts are, how data is stored and visualized, it builds perspective in them about how different fields use technology, and this brings them the confidence and the ability to pursue careers in all fields with better prospects. This bootcamp will be conducted online for 20 hours. It will happen over a span of 10 days, and it will start with the fundamental concepts of programming and lead students to build two installable Android apps that they can create based on real world systems. It allows students to understand about the fundamental programming concepts, design concepts of UI and UX design, data storage, data manipulation, and visualization, and understand how logic goes into code and can be expressed through different programming languages like visual programming, Python, HTML and CSS, etc. We look forward to seeing you in our bootcamp App for Creators very soon. Thank you for watching.